This is Bridget King submitting Assignment 2 for AEP 859. The target audience for this assignment is my second grade students with autism. I will be explaining this as I might be explaining it to a paraprofessional or a teacher working with the students. If I tried to explain this directly to my students, they wouldn't understand such complex directions. So that is why I might be explaining this a little bit differently. So the assignment is that the students will gain practice reading the book Jump Frog Jump. How they're going to do this is they're going to be practiced by responding to the appropriate phrase, which is jump, frog, jump, when it comes up in the book, and they're going to be able to respond with expression. At the end of the unit, which is about 5 days, the students will record their voice onto a PowerPoint presentation and will choose the correct picture to put into the presentation to match what they just read. There are two objectives to this assignment. The first being that the students will respond with appropriate phrase at the appropriate point while the teacher reads the book Jump Frog Jump. The second objective is that the students will record their voice onto a PowerPoint presentation using expression. The process is that throughout the process of this assignment, reading fluency will be modeled each day for the course of the unit. Each day, students will be given the opportunity to respond to the repetitive phrase of jump, frog, jump. They're going to be encouraged to respond in different ways, in an exciting way, in a scared way, in a soft way. So we're going to practice that throughout the week. And they're also going to be encouraged to dictate their words clearly. At the end of the unit, students will have help recording their voice onto a PowerPoint, which will be prepared by staff, and the students will help prepare their part. How this aligns with my curriculum is that the curriculum that I use with my students is derived from the extended standards, which is now going to be transitioned into the essential elements for the Common Core standards. Students with autism actually have difficulty with comprehension and reading with expression. Through digital presentations of books that we read in class, they can have the opportunity to hear their own voice and the voice of others, and they can hear the book being read with different expressions. This is an ongoing project that helps them increase their fluency and comprehension. Each student will start to understand that they can change their voice tone and inflections when reading repeated phrases. They will each contribute using their own style, and they'll have an opportunity to hear other students' examples also. In turn, they're going to start to relate print to real life.